Yeah,
we?
definitely.
You are? What is this little device?
My name's Hiccup, and that's my best pal, Toothless. He's not actually Toothless, of course. Don't let the name fool you. So he's Toothless, but he's not Toothless. That makes sense. And I'm Hiccup, and not Toothless. Anyway, he's tiny.
Them in there.
Oh my goodness, I can't even see them. It's like a little telescope.
And that's what I was thinking, Hiccup.
Oh, maybe this would help Gobber when he's reading.
Oh, you look beautiful.
What
It's gorgeous.
do I need to
With
do?
Toothless.
There we go. You just seem to somehow be there and on that device at the same time. That's crazy.
All right.
You are.
Thank you.
And there. And there.
But
That is
I'm
amazing.
here.
We don't have this kind of technology on Earth. That's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
later, John.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Have a good day.
I made that regret.
Greetings and salutations. I am the teller of fortunes, the scryer of futures, the mythical, the mystical, Mr. Magic. So everyone join me in clapping your hands and stamping your feet as we welcome Puss and Boots and his meet and greet. Yes. Oh, thanks so much for joining us, Puss. It's such a treat to meet you. Wait a second. Would you all like to meet Puss and Boots as well? Oh, come on. I said, would you like to meet Puss and Boots? Oh, wonderful.
People of Earth, I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. Are you ready to step forward and pledge yourself to the Autobots? It is an honor to meet you, Earthling. Welcome, freedom fighters.
Y'all ready for this?
Go ahead. Make my day.
Roll out. I am Megatron! Surprised to see me? Fire humans. You should know by now that I cannot be defeated. I may have lost the battle, but I will always rise up so I can win the war. Eyes to the front, Roger.
Finding your voice. What's your name? Her name's Dolores. Do you want to say it really loud so you can get her attention? Dolores! Oh, she got that. Yeah, you'd like to have her turn too? Put your hand just above her head like this. Keep it nice and still, okay? We're gonna let her come to you, just like if it was a house cat or a dog. Oh, good job, little girl. Yeah, she really liked that.
68 turtles, 30 on the top, 30 down the bottom, and they get more razor sharp, just like a pack of steak knives, ripping through flesh. Now how about that, ladies and gentlemen? VEL009! you like to come on down as well, sir? Yeah. Do you like dinosaurs?
Yes.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
A T-Rex.
But
yeah.
Raptors are also my favorite.
Yeah, I'm a bit biased myself. I love Velociraptor. Yes, now ready. Can you show me your T-Rex claws? And go rah!
Thank you so much.
There we go. We'll enjoy the rest of your afternoon here at Jurassic World. Yes, big waves goodbye for baby Lily there.
Put your hands up like this.
Okay.
Okay, open your fingers a bit. Now smell your fingers. Yeah. All right. No. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, so we have taught her to do this, so she won't bite our fingers. Yeah. Go scratch her neck. She loves it. That's right. Good job. Yeah. Oh, she's happy. Thank you. Awesome.
As part of our education at Jurassic World, we provide unique and up-close encounters with our dinosaurs, helping to further your knowledge of these incredible creatures. Our chosen dinosaur for today's exhibit is called Blue. Blue is one of our top predators here from the theropod group, the Velociraptor. To understand and execute specific commands.
Very good.
Hi guys, all just in front, please.
Rest down. Oh yeah, and I bet you would study this little one back to the laboratory. Thank you, everyone. The resident paleontologist.
We hope you have a wonderful time here at Jurassic World.
Take care and it's a big goodbye from all of us. Goodbye.
Big boy! All right.
It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smoke.
Already!
Go, Helen, get him! Right, why?
You think you're tough, huh?
Leave us alone!
How about no?
Hey, put him down, Vernon! Get out of the seat!
Mine is even better than that. What you doing, man? Knock him out! You're protecting it. You have to stick.
Brothers and sisters! Come on, Alan. Just show me the way, huh?
Get back!
Look!
Go on, man, finish him off! Go on! If you think you've got what it takes to join us on the atoll, form a line on the right side and we'll take a photo with you.
Hey. What are you pointing at, eh?
What is this? A weapon. A weapon.
Ready? Lights, camera, action!
Wanda kaisi niya.
Levi, don't you want to see the hall? आ जाओ तुम भी आ जाओ गिरने का फोटो यार